I must thank my colleagues who have just elected me the new Speaker of the State House of Assembly.
This politics is political were the words of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu when he came to Rivers State for his campaign. Indeed, it is political. Now, the political rascality in Rivers State has taken a new shape as Honorable Edison Ehi, who was removed as the leader of the House, has just been elected as the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. From the obvious, Honorable Edison Ehi is playing the Governor Fubara's card as against the former Speaker, who many believe was in Wike's stooge. Many had actually predicted this fallout of Sim Fubara and Wike, but however thought it would be in his second tenure. Reports also reaching us has it that Sim Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, has sacked the CSO of Government House, the camp commandant of Government House, and the 23 local government caretaker chairman and the chief of staff of Government House. With this, the battle line has been drawn between Sim Fubara and Governor Wike, as it is obvious from the handwriting on the wall. Let's hear from Honorable Edison, who had just emerged as the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, as he gives a press conference few minutes after he emerged as the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Do want to hear the comment section. Let's get to know what your thinking is, as we shall continually be here to serve you. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV.
You can see the House just rose from plenary, and with all humility, I must thank my colleagues, 26 assembly members who have just elected me as the new Speaker of the 10th Rivers State House of Assembly. My commitment to Rivers people is that I will be fair, I will be just to all and sundry, and I will ensure that the rule of law takes its course. I will not betray my colleagues, I will not betray Rivers people, I will not betray my constituents. I will also ensure the independence of the Rivers House Assembly is adhered to with mutual respect to the judiciary and the executive arm of government. Everything due my colleagues, as honorable members, constitutionally will be given to them. And the honorable members that have been suspended, as has been published, which people have seen, will also be given fair hearing. The committee on information will publish their names, and the House has urged the House Committee on Petitions to give them fair hearing. Colleagues, the House has also adjourned Sinidai because the PASAN Parliamentary Association has served us a notice of indefinite strike from Abuja. So we can't sit again. Therefore, those that have any sitting after now will not hold water because they have given us an official notice, which is received. And also, you have been told the people that have been suspended. So you have to work with that. Anybody, I tell people, the court is there. If you have any grievances, you can always approach the court. So that is the resolution of the House. I want to thank my colleague. Anytime I'm called to service, I'm here to serve Rivers people. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. It's unfortunate. I'm calling on the security agency. From what I've seen, the security agency even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me.
Yes, sir. I saw it.
You've seen it for yourself how these lawmakers prioritize their interest over the overall interest of Nigerians. As at the time of filing this report, every effort to reach Governor Nyesom Wike has proven abortive, as he has not made any statement regarding the political rascality in Rivers State. Do want to hear the comment section. Let's get to know what your thinking is, as we shall continually be here to serve you. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.